Hey guys, today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting mixed numbers. By the end of the lesson you'll be able to add and subtract mixed numbers, and we're learning about this because mixed numbers are used in real life a lot when you're baking and cooking, doing home repairs, and a lot of other things. So first I just want to talk about fractions really quick. So what is a fraction? A fraction is always a part compared to a whole. So for example, if we have 2 3/4. When we look at that picture, that would be 2 wholes, color in all 2, and then the third piece is cut into 4 pieces. That means 1 whole equals 4 pieces, and we only shade in 3 of them. Now this is a mixed number. I'm going to write it down here with 2 3/4. A mixed number. We can change a mixed number back into an improper fraction. Most of you remember this last year, y'all talked about it, by doing Texas. When you do Texas, that means we're going to work around in a C, like this. It's clockwise around. That means we're going to do 4 times 2 plus 3. Now, if you weren't at Northbrook last year, notice that this looks like a T and that looks like an X. That's why we call it Texas. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. And our denominator stays the same, fourths. 11/4. So let's look back up at our model. Notice that we said that this is 11/4. That means 11 parts out of 4 being the whole. If you split these other 2 that used to be wholes into 4 sections, there's going to be 4 in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 11, and 1 whole was 4 pieces. That's where we got 11/4 from. So 11/4 is an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a rude fraction. What it means is that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. 11 pieces out of 4. That means that you have more than 1 whole. It's improper because the big number is sitting on the little number and squishing him. We can change an improper fraction to a mixed number also. So let's think of a different improper fraction. We'll do 9/5. In order to change an improper fraction into a mixed number, you just divide. But instead of dividing all the way and getting a decimal, we stop and keep our fraction. So 9 divided by 5. 5 fits into 9 one time. So this is how many times it fit into 9. That means that in our picture, we're going to have 1 whole. This is our whole number. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So this would be 1 and 4 out of 5. 4 is the number of parts we have left out of 5. So if we drew a picture of 9/5, we'd split each circle into 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'd only color 9 of them. So we'd color all 5 of these, and then only 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So you notice if you look at the picture, it's the same as 1 whole and 4/5. And then, like, we should remember, a proper fraction is just a fraction that doesn't have any whole pieces. It's just like just 2/3 by itself. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. So you know that that's proper. Okay. So that was just us talking about the different parts of the fraction. You're going to look at the next video to see how to add and subtract fractions. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video now.